this video, we will show you how to set up and use the Speak 410. In this setup, you will need computer, Speak 410 speakerphone. Call controls are supported on specific softphone clients given compatibility requirements are met. Please check the Jabra softphone guide at jabra.com for more information. Connect the USB end of the speaker cable directly to your laptop or desktop. We recommend not connecting to a docking station or USB splitter. On an incoming call, your speaker will ring to notify you. To adjust ringer volume, press and hold the Jabra icon until the ringtone is heard, then press the volume plus or volume minus to adjust. When finished, tap the Jabra icon. To answer calls, touch the green handset icon. To increase listening volume, touch the volume plus icon. To decrease listening volume, touch the volume icon. To mute the microphone, touch the microphone icon. To unmute the microphone, touch the microphone icon. To end calls, touch the red handset icon. For more information, please visit jabra.com/support. Thank you for watching.